friends, Yan Trivendra Chaturvedi, Matirgla, Namaskara, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Bokapurilla, Enche Ular, Hope Nikulpura, Ushar Ullar. So yes friend, today you all will be looking my few happy moments spent in Mangalore. So I thought to start this journey with Tulu language, which is the mother tongue or Matra Bhasha of Mangalore. Please do forgive me if I pronounced anything wrong. On this note, let's start this blog. Please do enjoy. हेलो दोस्तों, तो फाइनली मैं मैंगलोर में हूँ और इधर से मैंगलोर सिटी जा रहे हैं। बेसिकली अभी ये आपका उल्लाल से थोड़ा सा आगे है, कोकट्टू बीच के कोकट्टू के थोड़ा आगे है। तो इधर से मैं जा रहा हूँ ज्योति। तो इधर का थोड़ा सा टेम्परेचर थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है, ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा रहता है। Right now we are in the bus and going to the Mangalore city, and as you can see, yes, we are on the way. Here's my friend. Let's enjoy the view. So hi friend, today we thought of wandering in Mangalore and we started from Dairy, which is on the way to Mangalore city. As you all can see, I started my journey by bus with my friend Munna, and this is the road which will straight reach to Pumpwell. पंपवेल के ही रास्ते में मुंगेर स्टॉप आता है, जो कि मंगला देवी टेम्पल के लिए जाता है। आप ऑटो रिक्शा लेकर वहां तक जा सकते हैं। मंगला देवी टेम्पल के ही नाम से मैंगलोर का नाम पड़ा, जिसको ऑफिशियली मैंगलुरु कहते हैं। Friends, Mangalore is well known for its so many temples and the beaches, जैसे कि आपका हो गया मंगला देवी टेम्पल, कदिरी टेम्पल, कुदरोली टेम्पल, कटील दुर्गा परमेश्वरी टेम्पल, सोमेश्वरा टेम्पल और बहुत सारे। तो अगर आप मैंगलोर आते हैं तो ये सारे टेम्पल जरूर विजिट कीजिए। तो फ्रेंड्स, मुंगेर स्टॉप के बाद पंपवेल, कनकनाडी, ज्योति और स्टेट बैंक स्टॉप आता है। हम लोगों ने पहले सिटी सेंटर मॉल जाने का प्लान बनाया। उसके लिए हम ज्योति स्टॉप पर उतर गए और वहां से ऑटो रिक्शा लिए सिटी सेंटर मॉल के लिए। So right now we are at city center mall. Our plan is like we can have lunch something. सिटी सेंटर मॉल मैंगलोर का सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट मॉल है फोरम मॉल के बाद, और फोरम मॉल आपका फर्स्ट है जो कि स्टेट बैंक के पास है। सिटी सेंटर मॉल में हमेशा भीड़ रहता है क्योंकि यहाँ सभी लोग आते हैं अपने फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने। सिटी सेंटर मॉल पहुँचने के बाद हम लोग नॉर्मली फूड कोर्ट में बहुत सारे ऑप्शन रहते हैं खाने के लिए। इन सब में मैंने स्पाइसी कॉर्न पराठा विथ मसाला बटर मिल्क ऑर्डर किया और मेरे फ्रेंड ने बिरयानी विथ कोक ऑर्डर किया। So after the lunch, I wanted to taste gadbad from Ideal Ice Cream Parlor. The Mangalore journey without having the gadbad ice cream is an incomplete journey. So this is our Ideal Ice Cream, and which I miss most of the times, क्योंकि ये गड़बड़ जो है बेसिकली स्टार्ट हुआ था मैंगलोर से ही, और आइडियल आइसक्रीम बेस्ट है मैंगलोर के लिए। सो इफ यू आर कमिंग जस्ट टेस्ट इट। No. So here we came to the fun city and we are going to play some games. So once after finishing ice cream, we have finished some shopping and then we found Fun City, which is basically a play station for kids. But obviously there is no such rule that we should not play. So we thought of enjoying games and become a kids once again. Hope you all also will enjoy with us. So we played a few games in Fun City. The first game was like as a snooker. Then I tried bike racing. Then I also played the bumper car. It was super fun to play like kids. Sometimes in this busy lifestyle, we need to become like kids to forget all our stress. once after we returned back from city center, I had stopped my blog, and the next day as I had to finish some work in city, so I started by car along with my friends, and by evening we thought of chilling out in the beach. So, as you all know, Mangalore is also famous for having so many beaches around the city, in which Tannir Babi, Malpe, Samarsand, Panambur, Kapu, Someswara beaches are famous. Among them, one of the good beach is Someswara beach, where it has the beautiful temple as well. So we thought of visiting the Someswara beach. As it was already evening, we didn't visit the temple inside, only from outside we have seen the temple, and then we went to visit the beach. So friends, I am sure that you will definitely enjoy the video of the beach and the beauty of nature. guys, you can see the coconut trees. Oh, and this is beach. What a word, rhyme word. Coconut tree with the sea beach. He was about to get drawn, but I saved him. So friends, that's it for the today's vlog. Because of time constraint, I didn't get chance to explore more places, but next time during Mangalore visit, I will explore more famous places and share with you all. Also friends, please like my videos, subscribe my channels and keep supporting my YouTube journey. Thank you.